If you have ever tried hanging a picture frame only to realize the hammer is missing or the screwdriver is buried in a toolbox somewhere in the garage, then this small but powerful gadget might catch your attention. It promises to replace a full drawer of tools with one compact device. This pocket-sized device is called Kelvin Tools. Let us learn more about it and be sure to check product link in description below. And it is cleverly designed to fit 17 different household tools into one easy-to-hold gadget. It is meant for both the experienced handyman and the beginner who just wants to get things done without the clutter. Whether you are a homeowner, renter, college student, or someone who enjoys weekend home projects, this could become a new favorite. It includes essentials like a hammer, flashlight, tape measure, and screwdriver all tucked into a sleek, compact unit. It is an all-in-one solution for everyday fixes and adjustments around the home or even when traveling. Still unsure? Let us hear from users.
Hey guys, I want to tell you about a tool called Kelvin 17. If you're a DIYer like me, this thing is amazing. It is essential. And I have all these tools, as you can see. I got the hammer and the screwdriver and the wrench, tape measure, the bits and everything. And that's all great, but why would you have it in a huge toolbox like that when you can have it right in the palm of your hand? And here, take a look at this. Pretty cool, right? If you're screwing anything, I actually love doing it at a 90-degree angle. Awkward with this big bulky guy, right? But I love that it has the magnetic bits that come in and out. And speaking of bits, check out these beautiful 12 bits we got in here. They're all magnetized to this screwdriver. And yeah, I had these bits in this big box here, but honestly, am I using 75% of this stuff? I don't think so. I'd rather have it in the palm of my hand. And if I'm working at night, I got the beautiful light going on right here. And you caught me right in the middle of putting up this beautiful painting that I got for my niece. So I am going to use this handy dandy tape measure. Let's see how far from the wall we are here. Oh yeah, we got 2 feet. That's good. Right as I planned it. So I'm going to hammer this back on the wall. Perfect hammer. On the Kelvin 17. Let's see if it holds. I'm pretty sure it does. Let's see. Now the moment of truth. Is it going to sit in the bubble? On the bubble. Ooh, that's pretty close. That's it. Yeah, that's beautiful, right? Wow, it's beautiful. I can just put this in my pocket. I can ride anywhere. I can travel anywhere. This thing allows me to do anything I need and to help anybody. And I'm actually going to give it to a gift to my brother for his birthday coming up. And if you're thinking about the next great DIY essential tool that you need, I would highly recommend.
This multi-tool is ideal for smaller repairs, home decoration tasks, and quick maintenance jobs. It is lightweight and fits well in a kitchen drawer, backpack, glove box, or desk drawer. The layout of the device keeps everything secure, so it does not rattle or come apart during storage or travel. Its flashlight is handy when working in tight or poorly lit spaces, and the built-in liquid level makes hanging artwork much more precise. Since it includes different screwdriver heads such as flathead, Torx, Phillips, and Allen key bits, you can handle most modern screws without needing to grab anything else. One of the more surprising additions is the hammer built into the end of the device. While it is not intended for framing walls or heavy-duty construction, it can easily tap in small nails, fix furniture, or open stubborn paint cans. The sturdy materials and thoughtful design make it a reliable choice, and the device has even been praised as a useful item to keep on hand while camping or in college dorm rooms. Kelvin Tools is currently being offered at a discounted price, making it even more appealing for gift shopping or family use. One unit is priced at $24 US$99, down from the original price of $29 US$99. If you are looking for a better value, there are bundle options that include 1 or more free tools. For example, buying 2 units gets you a third one at no extra charge, and larger bundles offer more savings. There is also a 30-day return policy. If it turns out the tool is not what you expected, you can return it without a complicated process. The product is shipped free of charge in the United States for qualifying orders and is available for fast delivery internationally as well. Designed in Canada and backed by a team that prioritizes quality control, Kelvin Tools aims to deliver satisfaction through both the product and customer support. This little device is catching attention for a reason. It combines usefulness with convenience, saves storage space, and removes the hassle of hunting for the right tool. Whether you are outfitting a dorm room, looking for a gift, or simply trying to keep your home in shape, this all-in-one tool might be worth adding to your daily life. Get yours today before stock runs low or discounts end. Check the product link in the description and secure a Kelvin tools for yourself or someone you care about. It could be the last time you search for a tool ever again.